Hey guys, Jordan Alexander from K18, and I'm here today to talk to you about the science of K18. Over the past 10 years, our chemists have mapped out the entire keratin genome. If you remember the Human Genome Project, we've basically done the exact same thing for hair. What we've done over this 10-year period, we've mapped out all 1,242 decapeptides that actually are the building blocks of hair. Through that research, we found one peptide that actually worked to restore hair using hair's own building blocks. When we think of hair and we think of damage and things like that, we generally think of the disulfide bonds. When the disulfide bonds are broken via chemical services, thermal styling, mechanical styling, or environmental damage, the hair begins to disintegrate or break down. The problem is, though, when thinking of bond builders and things like that, there's a completely missing aspect of it. If we compare hair to a ladder, the disulfide bonds make up the rungs of the ladder. The issue, though, is that none of these products deal with the actual keratin chains, the actual sides of the ladder. K18 uses the building blocks of hair through mapping out this peptide in the keratin genome to not only permanently restore the rungs of the ladder, but the side runners of the ladder as well. This is biomimetic science. We work by mimicking nature and working with the actual building blocks of hair. This is the first time in our industry that we have ever been able to not only repair the disulfide bonds permanently, but to repair the keratin chains themselves, resulting in beautiful, healthy hair.